Welcome back to the Junkman's Adventures. I'm the Junkman, and today we're going to change the oil in my air compressor. Now, actually, this is a brand new unit that I just got. I've just finished the break-in procedure here, and I need to change the oil. And in the instruction manuals, and even a little sticker on the side, says use synthetic compressor oil. So I went and did a search on Amazon, and I came up with two products that I thought would be suitable. But I chose this one, Royal Purple's Recip 100. Now, I'm not sponsored by them. They did not give me this. I had to buy this. Bought it on Amazon. But what caught my eye is it had a large amount of reviews, and most of them said this stuff really quiets down air compressors. And then, of course, it makes claims of, it says right here on the bottom, proven to make equipment run smoother, cooler, quieter, longer, and more efficiently. Well, I can't really test the longer and more efficiently very easily, but I can test if it's quieter and runs cooler by using this little dB meter, the sound meter here, and then my temperature gun here. And what we're going to do is we'll fire this up with the oil that was shipped in, which I don't know what type of oil is in there, but I wanted to change it out for something that's presumably better quality, and plus, because it's broken in, there's the break-in particles and stuff I want to get out there and put fresh oil in, and then I'll be good to go for a good long time. So anyway, what we're going to do first is we're going to take some baseline readings here, and then we're going to change the oil, put this in, take some more readings, and we're going to see if the claims, this lives up to the claims and all the reviews it says. And actually, I was looking at another product called PowerMate PX, which is about $10 less than this, but it had still good reviews, but far fewer reviews. So I decided to go with this for 10 bucks more. It's a one-time deal. I'm only going to use about half the bottle anyways, and the other half I can put into my little smaller, more portable unit. So anyway, let's get to the testing. Alright, it's the moment of truth. We changed the oil, and let's turn it on, see if it made a difference. Well, there you have it. After we changed the oil, using this Royal Purple Recip 100, didn't really see any appreciable change. Audibly, it kind of sounded smoother, but maybe that's just the placebo effect.
Now hold it right there. This made me think to run the audio files through Audacity and take a look at the waveforms and the spectrogram. As you can see, the decibels and the spectrogram look pretty much the same, except for the spectrogram does show a little bit difference in frequencies, and that's probably what my ears are hearing, even though the decibels are virtually the same before and after.
Because I kind of wanted it to, but my testing equipment really didn't show that. Sound meter basically showed no change in how many decibels is coming out of this thing. Temperature-wise, basically the same. And I forgot to tell you, I did let this cool down for about an hour down to room temperature, so we started over with a cool cylinder here. Didn't really change that. So the claims that it's smoother, maybe that's true. Audibly, it seems like it. Maybe in the camera you can kind of tell a difference, but I doubt it. Cooler, didn't really see that. Quieter, didn't really see that. Of course, longer and more efficiency. Don't really have a good way to test that right now. But stay tuned, because I'm going to do a full review on this after I've used it for a while and go over all the specs and everything. So I'll link that video in the description here and put a card up here, so you can check that video out if you're interested in what model this is and all about it. But anyway, like this video, subscribe, ring that bell to get notifications, and thanks for watching.